Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a blurry effects for your photos in Canva. So in here, I have this photo on my design that I want to have a blurry effect. And if you want to do the same, just follow this step. First, click on the photo on the canvas and go to the edit image menu at the top and just scroll down here until you find the effects section and you'll find this blur option. Click on the blur and here you can choose between these two options. You can uh, select a specific part that you want to blur, or you can also blur the whole image. So I'm going to just use this one, and here I'm going to blur the part that I want to. For example, I'm going to blur the background. I'm going to just brush it off like this. So you can see this is the blur. So if you want to make the whole background blur, you can just brush it off. Brush the background to make it blur, or let's try the whole image. Let's remove the blur first. Click on the whole image and here just adjust the intensity and your image will be blurry it within seconds. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.